Hi everyone, I'm Chris Lurson. I'm the Tillage Marketing Manager with Case IH, and behind me is the VT Flex 435, a 15-foot model. And this new series of vertical tillage tools from Case IH is available in 5 sizes: 11 feet, 15, 20, 23 feet, and 25 feet. For that 15-foot machine that's behind me here, that's a 150 horsepower tractor, and we could get as low as maybe around 100 horsepower for this size. So a nice range for those tractors that of a medium to small. Even the older tractors, look at the 71 or 7200 series Magnums. So really nice fit for those small, medium-sized operations that maybe have some livestock, looking for a solid tool that's rugged, reliable, as well as agronomic to fit the needs of your fields and the variabilities that you find in those fields. The VT Flex 435 providing that simple, easy, rugged and reliable, yet agronomic solution for the small to medium operations to fit their tillage needs. To learn more, visit your Case IH dealer or caseih.com.